Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. There we have a 2008 Toyota Prado, stock number 5987. This ran from 08 2004 to the 10th 2009. Has a 1G RFE 4 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1G RFE 4 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminum tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminum tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate. Spare wheel cover. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminum tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 17-inch factory aluminum tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.